Did you know that not cleaning your makeup brushes can lead to skin problems? Yes, that's right. These handy tools are essential for creating stunning beauty looks. However, if not properly cleaned, they can quickly become a breeding ground for bacteria and product buildup. In this guide, we will share effective brush cleaning techniques to keep your brushes in top shape and your skin glowing. Now, why do we need to clean our makeup brushes? There are three main reasons. Firstly, it prevents breakouts. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria and oil, which can lead to acne and skin irritations. Secondly, it enhances makeup application. Clean brushes ensure smooth and even makeup application, preventing streaks and uneven coverage. Lastly, it prolongs the lifespan of your brushes, saving you money in the long run. Before we begin, gather the following materials: a mild liquid soap, warm water, a bowl or sink, a clean towel or paper towel, and optionally, a brush cleaning mat or silicone glove. Now, here are the steps to clean your makeup brushes effectively. Firstly, run the brush bristles under lukewarm water, pointing them downward to avoid water getting into the ferrule. Next, apply a small amount of mild liquid soap to your palm or cleaning tool. Then, gently swirl the wet brush into the soap, creating lather. Rinse the brush under running water again, continuing to swirl and massage the bristles until the water runs clear. Afterwards, gently squeeze the bristles to remove excess water. Finally, reshape the brush head with your fingers and lay the brushes flat on a clean towel to air dry. The frequency of brush cleaning depends on how often you use them. For daily brushes like foundation and concealer brushes, clean them every 1 to 2 days. For weekly brushes like blush and eyeshadow brushes, aim to clean them once a week. And for monthly brushes like powder and bronzer brushes, clean them monthly, but check for product buildup. Remember, do not soak your brushes, as this can weaken the glue that holds the bristles. Use brush guards to maintain the shape of your brushes while they dry. And for a quick clean between applications, use a brush cleaner spray. In conclusion, regularly cleaning your makeup brushes is an essential part of your beauty routine. By following these brush cleaning tutorials and incorporating a regular cleaning schedule, you'll not only preserve the lifespan of your brushes, but also ensure a flawless makeup application while keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Remember, a clean brush is a happy brush.